Welcome to Aditi Jain's Little World and welcome to my podcast, The Art of Conversation. Guys, this third episode of my podcast is very special to me because after accident, I am shooting for the first time and I have a very special guest with us, Dr. Maithili Bhosekar. She is a renowned dentist and on the top of that, she won a title of Miss International World Petite in Florida. Thank you so much for coming here and giving your time. My pleasure. So, how are you doing?
Good. So, how are you doing after your accident?
It was a lot to take, but with God's grace, I'm doing good, and with people's blessing, I'm recovering fast. And I'm glad that I started this journey again. I missed a lot, but now I will do it on a fast track because I have a lot of people to come.
Right.
But thank you so much again for coming here and giving your time. And I want you to tell my viewers about you, from where you belong, what is your background, and what are you doing in Canada?
Yes. So basically, I am from the city of dreams, which is Mumbai, India, and I was born there, but I was raised in multiple countries, including India, Nigeria, and Canada.
Oh,
So-
wonderful. I don't know, like
I know, it was
I
very
have people on
diverse.
my podcast who come like all over, like have been to all over the world. Like that's great. So you also have a lot of
Yes,
experiences with us to
yes.
share, right? Okay.
So the main thing for me was, to adjust to different cultures while moving around. But
Okay.
it was a great experience because it made me meet a lot of people, made me learn about different cultures, and
Okay.
also it taught me adaptability.
Oh,
That is main. Because now it's like I don't have to worry. Even if I go somewhere, it's pretty much like a breeze. And to move from different countries, the main challenge was from going from here to India after
Okay.
doing my schooling.
So you were here for schooling and then you
Yes.
moved back again to India.
Yes.
Okay.
So after my 10th,
Okay.
my grandparents were not doing so well over there. So
Okay.
my dad decided to, pack up and go there.
Oh my God, that's a really big change. And for a
Yes.
kid, it's a really big
Yes.
change. So
And
how you
especially,
manage
I
that?
was 16 at that time. So, it's that
Yeah.
teenage where, but because they decided, and I was very attached to my grandparents. So
Okay.
we went back and I was there for 7 years. In that time, I did my dentistry in
Okay.
India, in Pune. But during that time, my grandparents passed away.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, that was the sad part. But at least, the good part is I got to spend time with them.
Science and
Yes.
find the weather. Yeah, that's a very big thing.
Yes.
Like I lost my grandmother like 2 years back, but the only thing that I regret in my life that I didn't met her for the last time. But the things that I'm very proud of that I shared my half life with her. Like
Right.
I born and brought up under her guidance and everything. Like she was grandparents, I believe, are such a pure blessings in people's life. Sometimes people don't even realize that, but for me she was God. Like, and I believe when you consider your grandparents as a God, you actually don't need anyone in your life to
Right.
look for. And
Yes.
she was actually a pure soul. So yeah, I can
Yes.
understand if you're attached to your grandparents. Okay,
Yes,
don't go
definitely.
that way. That's like my first part. Okay, so tell me, like, what are you doing in Canada?
Yeah, so after that, I finished my dentistry in India. Then my parents decided to come back
Okay.
to Canada. So
Okay.
I'm here with my parents, my brother, and now we have our dog.
Okay.
His name is Coco. He's my life, but
Okay, nice.
and I've been
Mhm.
practicing in Canada as a dentist for the past 8 years.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you're doing so good here. And but like, I really want to know, like, one field is dentist and medical and a studious person, and then out of nowhere going for a pageant and then modeling. Like how? Like from where it comes? You have any background in your family?
No, actually, I have no background in my family.
Oh my God.
Yes,
Okay, guys,
so
a lot
I
of
am
experience.
basically the first doctor in the family too, and I'm the
Really?
first model in the family too.
Oh, and first pageant winner too.
Yes, definitely.
and you are the first pageant winner coming on my podcast too. So a lot of Percy. Okay, so tell me a little bit about
Yeah,
this.
so I've always had this interest, since I was a kid, dress up and just wear different clothes. And I used to walk at home and show it to my mom,
Yeah.
and she was my only audience at that time, right?
Yeah.
But then as I grew older, I obviously know how much education is important.
Okay.
And so educationally, professionally, dentistry is my life. But
Okay.
my passion is modeling,
Okay.
and I do love acting too. I
Okay.
haven't really done much of acting, but modeling is something that I have been doing for quite some time now.
So what
Um,
made you to like see, modeling and pageant are totally two different things too.
Yes.
So what made you to go this side?
That was because, modeling, firstly, in the world of modeling, you just want someone who's taller. That's
Okay.
what they're looking for.
Yeah, that's a very big
That was
thing.
the biggest struggle of my life to
Okay.
get into this field, because
Okay.
I'm a short person and I'm very proud of it.
Tell me, what height is yours?
I'm approximately 5'3".
Oh, I'm 5'2", and trust me, I'm so proud of it. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है दिस इज द मोस्ट स्टैंडर्ड हाइट वी हैव. हमें कोई टेंशन नहीं होती है, हम हाई हील्स पहने, हमें छोटा बड़ा लगने का, मुझे तो सबसे परफेक्ट लगती है.
Right.
But I want to know, like, after struggling with this height thing, how you managed to win the pageant and entered into this field?
It was through my training organization, which is the International Glamour Project. I got to know about the Miss International World. So this organization is actually great because they include people from every height, every nationality, color, body size, everything.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So yes,
We
it
need
just
more
boosts so much
organization
confidence.
like this. See, obviously, if they are promoting something which is very rare, so it boosts your
Yes.
morale and give you an opportunity to present yourself,
Yes.
irrespective
Yes.
of your
Because
height,
they are trying
color.
to promote in a way that a woman is not about a certain shape or size or height
Exactly.
or anything.
Yeah,
Every
exactly.
woman is different, every woman is special,
Yeah,
and every woman is
have
unique, right?
exactly unique, and I believe in everyone have their own type of charisma and capabilities
Yes.
to prove the world and that we can do it, right?
Yes.
It's no height, no color, no shape can stop us in achieving our goals,
Definitely.
right?
Yes.
So
It's all about our mindset.
yeah, exactly.
You have to feel confident in your own body,
Yeah.
and that will shine through everywhere. That is literally,
that is
when
shining on her head right now, because she actually went through a lot, but she was dedicated to her passion. Guys, I want to tell you one thing. She followed both things, her profession and her passion, dedicatedly, and she achieved it, right? Like a pro. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when you want something, you can get it, but for that you need to learn few things, and I want to ask you that. Tell me what things
So,
motivated you to achieve, because see, your profession and passion are totally now North Pole and South
Yes,
Pole,
yes.
and managing your time and your industries, two different industries, it's a difficult task. So
Yes.
tell me something.
According to me, what is important is you have to follow your heart.
Okay.
That is the main thing. Plus, you have to have dedication. You have to be consistent in what you're
That
doing.
is the most important
that is
thing,
something that
consistency.
is, I don't want to lack behind it.
Exactly.
Plus, you have to have that mindset. That is important. Once you have trained your mind to do something,
Yeah.
it will definitely go ahead and support you. But if you are unsure about something, it's not gonna work out.
So दिमाग दिल की सुन लेता है.
Exactly.
उसमें बैलेंस करना पड़ता है, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's so good to know. So guys, मतलब I believe कि ये सब आपको हेल्प करें और आप भी अपना प्रोफेशन और पैशन इनको अपना के आगे
Yes.
फोकस कर सकें. So Maitri, I really want to know. I am struggling a lot. How you maintain yourself, guys? If I'll tell you the age that I don't want to discuss on my
No
podium,
revealing.
no revealing. But trust me, she is doing amazing according to her age, and I really want some tips.
For overall,
Yeah.
if you think I'm looking younger than my age.
Yeah.
I really thank my mom
Really? Not
for the
yourself?
great genetics.
Great. Okay, perfect.
Right.
Yeah.
And after that, like I said, I try to do workout every single day,
Okay.
whether I go to the gym or I try to do it at home.
Okay.
And this is after I come back from work.
So there are no
that-
shortcuts. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
The main thing is just take your meals in proportion. That
Okay.
is something that is, just don't binge eat anything.
Okay. So
Just-
little
yes,
proportions.
you shouldn't
eating
kill
of-
yourself, but
Yeah.
you should just eat in proportion and eat whatever you like.
Exactly.
Because if your mind is healthy, and you'll be healthy too.
एग्जैक्टली बट पता है क्या होता है जो हमारे जैसे लोग होते हैं ना उनके लिए दो चीजें मैनेज करना जिम वर्कआउट एंड दिस लाइक food habits really difficult.
You're struggling with the mind and heart.
I have to. Right now I am struggling with a lot of things, Mathli. I can't even tell you. I cannot even be able to see my hand. Like from past 1 month I cried every day, but it's just like कहते हैं ना कि when you don't have solution for any
Yes.
problem, just ignore that. तो बस वो कहते हैं ना
Just
कि
have good hope.
good
That's
hope.
it.
I like every day like I try, मतलब मेरे व्यूअर्स को ये बहुत अजीब लगेगा because I'm a motivational speaker, but being a motivational speaker doesn't mean that I always feel happy. I
Sure.
always feel positive. I try to be positive. I try to be happy, but it's difficult.
Yes. There are
If-
situations that bring you down.
Yeah. So, and in this country, when something does happen, you are not struggling only just physically. You are struggling financially. You are struggling emotionally. Like it's a lot to take.
Yes.
But in the end,
It's
it's all gonna be
it's gonna all work out together.
exactly. And what helped me a lot, my spiritual journey and too much of gratitude to the people around me and my family.
Definitely.
Because blessings worked like a magic to your pain. Trust me.
Yes.
Like I made a lot of videos on that, and I really mean it, guys. Kabhi bhi dekhna.
I can relate completely with you because
Okay.
a couple of years back I had fractured my finger,
Okay.
and that cut me off from work for a few months because
How many months?
almost about 2.5 months.
Same is happening.
Yes.
Like I'm not working like professionally, or I cannot do anything with this work.
Yes.
So how you managed?
Well, I didn't have a choice.
Yeah.
I couldn't really do anything.
Yeah.
So my hand was in a cast, and the worst part was that my pageant was coming up in 3 months after the fracture.
Oh.
3 months my pageant was supposed
Oh my
to happen.
God.
So I was stressing so much. But out of that, the only thing is, my mind, I kept on meditating and doing all the things that I could do. And one other thing that I got to do is I started writing with my left hand.
Guys, तुम्हें नहीं लगता बहुत ज्यादा जो भी मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे आता है बहुत रिलेटेबल हो जाता है. Even I started doing things with my left hand. Like लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि are you lefty?
Right.
I eat food like a pro. I do dishes. I'm doing everything with my left hand, and people are like, really?
I know.
And sometimes I question myself too. Really? But वो कहते हैं ना जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. कुछ अच्छा नहीं है नहीं है उसमें दो चीजें होती हैं कि हाउ यू सी थिंग्स. क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली क्या पता इससे ज्यादा कुछ होना लिखा था वो बच गया.
Definitely.
Saved my life, right? Left hand की photos पता लग गई. So, Mathli, tell me your achievement that you are really proud of in your life.
So I don't have just one achievement. I have 2 achievements which I'm really proud of.
Okay.
Firstly is my dentistry license in Canada.
Okay.
To practice as a dentist, I had to struggle through a lot of exams and a lot of big procedures.
Okay.
And secondly, it's this beautiful crown that's sitting on my head.
Okay.
So it's true, what they say, with the crown comes a lot of responsibilities.
Exactly.
So my main thing is, with the help of this crown, is to support child education.
Oh, really? That's a wonderful cause.
And I
that you are
have also
supporting.
been sponsoring a few girl child.
Really? Where?
Yes, in India.
in India.
Yes.
People need that really.
Because
Yeah.
I believe that education, it doesn't have to be, you have to be very smart or you have to be the topper or anything
Exactly.
like that, but it's just you have to have that literacy
Yeah.
for you to be able to handle yourself,
Exactly.
to be able to stand up for yourself. And also the main important is for the women in
Yeah.
India, they need to be educated so they
Exactly.
can earn, they don't have to rely on anyone, and
Exactly.
they can be self-sufficient. So
Yeah.
that is my main motive for this. So it goes for everyone, as education is the most important thing.
Important thing. Yeah.
Yes, and
With
everything else branches out with
exactly.
that.
With education, I believe you get the ability of handling the things. You get the ability of making decisions in your life.
Yes.
See, Indian education system, I cannot say is a lot of practical things and teach the experiences that comes with life, but still, it helps you a lot in your journey if
Definitely.
you focused on education in your life. I will not say that Indian education system help you in achieving your goals, but that will definitely help you in your journey for sure.
Definitely.
That I experienced that because
I have been I have got education from both the countries.
Yeah.
So there is a huge difference.
Okay.
Each country has its own way
So
of
what
educating.
major difference you saw, and what do you think Indian education system should adapt from Canada?
So basically, in India, what I had to go through is, it's more about memorization.
Okay.
It's not a lot of
Ratta.
hands-on. Yes. It's not a lot of hands-on. And
Okay.
it's completely opposite over here,
Okay.
where they give you a lot of projects. You have to do your own research.
Okay.
And exam-wise, yes, there are exams, but they are not something that, your life is completely focused on it.
Okay.
There's courses in the high school where you can choose your own branches.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. So
And one more thing, I believe social pressure. In Canada, I don't think so there is any social pressure of getting any marks. Okay.
No.
You have to, okay, फलाने के लड़के के लड़की के इतने marks आए तो तुझे भी इतने लेने हैं. That plays a very important
Yes,
part,
yes.
right, in our life. But luckily, I got lucky in that part. My parents never forced me on that. I want to tell you one thing, guys. मेरा उसका एग्जाम था फाइनल्स का. तो मैंने I was very crying baby. Still I am, but now with the strongest part. But I remember that I cried before every exam. So I was talking to my mom, and that was a very important exam of my graduation. I was like, Mama, I don't know anything and I don't remember anything. मैं ना मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करूँगी. My mom was like, मेरे को एक बात बता, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? मैंने कहा मम्मा मैं फेल हो जाऊँगी. कहती फिर क्या हो जाएगा? मैंने कहा किसकी मम्मा ऐसे बोलती है? I was shocked. I was really shocked. I was like किसकी मम्मा बोलती है फेल हो जाएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? But आप समझ रहे हो?
But that is such a role model for you, right?
That becomes my motivation. Like my parents always give me that kind of motivation. I really want to start a series on that too, because मेरे मम्मा पापा एक negative situation में से कैसे positive situation निकाल देते हैं मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता लगता है.
True.
और हम लोग उस चीज को सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाते हैं, and that works like a magic again.
Yes.
So I am again grateful for that.
Me too.
Parents plays a very important role.
Yes.
Very important role.
So if you put too much pressure on the kids,
Yeah.
then that is something that will hamper their
growth,
mental health.
Yeah.
And if your mental health is not stable, then it's difficult to achieve. Like
right,
what we said, the mindset is what is more important.
I also want to tell you one thing. In our like spiritual books, ये सब पहले लिखा होता है, लेकिन हमें इतनी जल्दी समझ नहीं आता. जैसे कहते हैं कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मत करो. बस तुम करो जो तुम्हारी कैपेबिलिटीज में, तुम ये मत सोचो रिजल्ट क्या होगा. लेकिन irresponsible भी नहीं होना चाहिए. There are two things.
Exactly.
Like if you think कि हाँ भगवान भरोसे है, आज तो मैं पढ़ के नहीं जा रही हूँ, और
you have to do everything in your own hands.
Exactly.
मतलब ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए ना कि यार मैंने 100% नहीं दिया मेरा. that should not happen कि मेरे साइड से तो मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया,
Exactly.
अभी जो होना है वो हो जाए,
वो हो
and I'm
जाएगा.
ready to accept the consequences.
Exactly. That
And in case नहीं workout होता,
हाँ.
तो I will give more, like.
And उसमें भी ऐसा मुझे लगता है हर चीज आपके लिए नहीं बनी होती है. I tried for UPSC. It's a very it's an exam for IAS officer back in India. So I didn't clear. So इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना कि मैंने अपना 100% नहीं दिया. I gave my 1000%, but it was not in my destiny.
Yes.
तो but एक चीज जो मैंने जिंदगी में सीखी, people got stuck there. I didn't let myself to do that.
Right.
मैं वहाँ पे stuck नहीं हुई. मैंने सोचा leave it, now move ahead with different things.
Exactly.
So
you accepted, right?
yeah,
you accepted, and you.
acceptance is very important in life. People these days are struggling to accept things. In accepting problems, in accepting decisions, in accepting relationships. And I believe when you start accepting things in your life, you are in a very good place. In a happy too.
Definitely.
I experienced this. I'm telling you guys.
You just, basically have to accept that everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
That is something
mantra,
that I
simple.
definitely go by. And you will not get to know that at that point. Down the line in your life, you will realize that, अरे वो चीज हुई थी, अच्छा हुआ कि वो तभी हुई.
Exactly.
मुझे फालतू में इतना बुरा लगा था.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी में कोई आ रहा है, कोई जा रहा है, तुम कुछ अचीव कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम्हें कोई चोट लगी है, नहीं लगी है. Everything happens for a reason, and actually I totally believe down the line you realize one day or the other day. And that's the beauty of this quote, everything happens for a reason. So Maitri, thank you so much again. It really means a lot, but in the end I want you to tell to my viewers that what one life lesson that you learned which helps you a lot.
My main thing is that I believe in gathering puzzle pieces of your life. So it's all about, matching your missing puzzle pieces. And by the end of your life, you should be happy looking at those pieces. It's like, I put my life together. That is something, that is really what my plan is. Not that I've found everything yet. It's always little things will keep happening. Yes. And to do that, you always have to have a positive mind. And I know it's very difficult in situations, but what you have to do is you just have to think like a third person in a situation. If you consider yourself not a part of that situation, it becomes so much easier for you to handle the situation and also to take the right decisions.
Oh, that's so
nice.
So
your mind is very calm. It's like आप किसी और को advice दे रहे हो कि अरे ये कर लेना, ऐसे क्या है. That's how you have to keep yourself as a third person, and your things will work out. And so like how coincidentally we met a few times, and then this happened. And I'm really, really happy to be a part of her journey.
Thank you so much. That really means
and
a lot.
I'll definitely be there for anything and everything that she needs ever.
Yeah.
You are a superwoman who's who's been very strong in handling herself by herself through this accident, and in general, she's always so smiling and so positive that she actually inspires me.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot. But I believe I am not a superwoman. It's just I am following my passion dedicatedly, consistently. और हमेशा से ये रहा है कि कुछ ना कुछ करना है और सब कुछ करना है. I don't know whether I am going to achieve high levels or not, but I just want to do it because that gives me happiness, and that's all. That's all.
Matters.
that matters.
I know your happiness is on top of everything.
Earlier, I never used to think like that, but over the years, I believed happiness is the most important thing.
Definitely.
And कुछ भी आपको जो खुशी दे रहा है ना, irrespective, कल भी मैंने यही बोला था, लोग क्या कहेंगे?
Exactly.
Doesn't matter. लोग क्या कहेंगे?
क्योंकि आपके लाइफ में ना कुछ अच्छा हो, कुछ बुरा हो, कुछ भी हो, लोग होते ही है बोलने के लिए.
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड उसी सिचुएशंस में से यू गेट टू नो कि हु इज देयर फॉर यू.
समटाइम्स मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तुम भी सोच रहे हो ना कि तुम्हें कैसा लगेगा, मैं ये कुछ ऐसा करूंगी, वो भी मत सोचो. अगर तुम्हें उस चीज से खुशी मिल रही है ना, तुम भी मत सोचो कि वो कैसा लगेगा. लोग तो बाद में आते हैं, खुद की भी
डोंट थिंक अबाउट द
कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. मैंने जिंदगी में सीखा है, गलत सही की कोई डेफिनेशन ही नहीं होती है. Actually, Maithili, see, there is something wrong for me that will be right for you.
Yes.
There is something right for you will be wrong for me. And from the country from where we belong, traditions, cultures, different kind of communities, a lot to
Yes.
take. A lot to take. So you have to, if you want to be happy, you have to come over the this line of wrong and right in your life.
Yes, definitely. You know, you have to believe in yourself and just go with the flow of your life.
Exactly.
And have some goals which you want to achieve and make a path for yourself. That's it.
That's so good to know. And इसके साथ हम यहाँ ख़त्म करते हैं. एंड आई होप गाइज आपको अच्छा लगा होगा हमारा, और आपने आज भी कुछ सीखा होगा इनकी ज़िंदगी से. और प्लीज़ इस पॉडकास्ट को लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलें, एंड प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को फॉलो करें. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.